Today, we are solving WASSCE June 2012 question 11. This question has two parts. The first part uses tangent ratio to find cosine, and the second part uses angles of elevation with two vertical poles. In part A, we are given tan of x equals 15 over 8, where x is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. We are asked to find cos of x. In part B, there are two vertical poles. One is 3 meters long and the other is 7 meters long. They are on the same straight line with a point P on the ground. The shorter pole is 20 meters from P, and it is between P and a longer pole. The angle of elevation of the top, T, of the longer pole from the top, R, of the shorter pole, is 30 degrees. We are asked to calculate RT, the horizontal distance from P to the longer pole, and the angle of elevation of T from P. Tan of x equals 15 over 8. Tan of x equals opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent equals 15 over 8. Opposite equals 15, adjacent equals 8. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. Tan of x equals 15 over 8. Cos of x equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent equals 8. Hypotenuse equals h. Since the triangle is right-angled, we use Pythagoras' theorem. The hypotenuse squared is the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Now square and add. 15 squared equals 225, and 8 squared equals 64. So, h squared equals 289. Taking the square root gives h equals 17. Now we find cos of x. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. For angle x, the adjacent side is 8, and the hypotenuse is 17. Therefore, cos of x equals 8 over 17. This framed result is the final answer for the question. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. The shorter pole is 3 meters high, and the longer pole is 7 meters high. Since n is at the same height as r, bn equals 3 meters. Therefore, the extra height from n to t is 7 minus 3 equals 4 meters. The important small triangle is RTN. The angle at R is 30 degrees, and the vertical height difference, Tn, is 4 meters. We will use this triangle to find RT, then find the horizontal distance, Rn. From triangle RTN, with respect to the 30 degrees angle, the opposite side is Tn equals 4, and the hypotenuse is RT. So we use sine, because sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Substitute Tn equals 4. Multiply both sides by RT. Now divide by sin of 30 degrees. Since sin of 30 degrees equals 1 over 2, RT equals 8 meters. Therefore, RT equals 8 meters. This framed result is the final answer for the question. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we find Rn, the horizontal distance between the two poles. Since triangle RTN is right-angled, we use Pythagoras theorem. Substitute RT equals 8 and Tn equals 4. Then solve for Rn squared. So, Rn equals the square root of 48 equals 6.928 meters. The horizontal distance between the poles on the ground is AB. It is equal to Rn because Rn is also a horizontal distance between the same two vertical poles. The shorter pole is 20 meters from P, so PA equals 20 meters. The longer pole is farther away, so PB equals PA plus AB. PB equals PA plus AB equals 20 plus 6.928 equals 26.928 meter-centimeters. PB 26.9 meter-centimeters. Substitute PA equals 20 and AB equals 6.928. This gives PB equals 26.928 meters. Correct to three significant figures. The horizontal distance from P to the longer pole is 26.9 meters. Therefore, the horizontal distance from P to the longer pole is 26.9 meters. Now we find the angle of elevation of T from P. The useful triangle is PTB. Let the required angle be theta. From triangle PTB, with respect to angle theta, the opposite side is TB equals 7, and the adjacent side is PB equals 26.928. So we use tangent because tangent is opposite over adjacent. Substitute the values. Tan of theta equals 7 over 26.928 equals 0.2599. Theta equals tan up to the power of minus 1, 0.2599. Theta equals 14.5 degrees. Theta, 15 degrees. Calculate the fraction. This gives tan of theta equals 0.2599. To find the angle, take inverse tangent. This gives theta equals 14.5 degrees. Correct to the nearest degree, the angle of elevation is 15 degrees. Therefore, the angle of elevation of T from P is 15 degrees. For part A, we used tan of x equals 15 over 8 to form a right-angled triangle. Then Pythagoras' theorem gave the hypotenuse 17. So, cos of x equals 8 over 17. For part B, the height difference between the two poles is 4 meters. We use triangle RTN to find RT equals 8 meters and the horizontal separation between the poles. Then we added 20 meters to get the distance from P to the longer pole, and finally used tangent to find the angle of elevation. These are the final answers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.